Hey guys, and welcome back. So I was going to wait to film this video because I'm still really under the weather, but I quickly realized that I'm kind of like a kid on Christmas morning and I can't wait to open something that I don't know what's inside of it, so that was going to be a major fail. So today's video is on a mystery beauty box that I purchased from eBay. So basically you purchase a box of beauty and makeup items that you do not know the contents of it. So the seller basically fills it with items that they have. The box that I purchased was from the seller KJM19942012, and the box was labeled Mystery Beauty Box YouTube Beauty Favorites. So again, this box was $25. I do not know the contents. The only thing that I did do was take off the outside floral print wrapping paper because it had my address on it. Otherwise, this is what the box looks like. I haven't opened or looked at anything yet. So I'm quickly just going to read the description. It said it is makeup and beauty items that are brand new, well-known name brands, and it's the most loved beauty brands from YouTube beauty gurus. There's a mixture of palettes, eyeshadow, blush, highlighter, bronzer, lipstick, foundation, concealer, eyeliner, primer, and many more items that might be in your box. It also says that the value of the items will exceed the cost of the box, which I spent $25. And the following brands may or may not be in this mystery box: Anastasia Beverly Hills, Tarte, Too Faced, Urban Decay, MAC, Stila, etc. So I'm like dying to dig into this box, so if these are the kind of videos you like, please give me a thumbs up, as well as please subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So again, there's supposed to be 5 to 6 items in this box of well-known brands. So let's just start digging into it. The first thing kind of seems like it might be a beauty bag. So the first item is a Betsey Johnson New York. It looks like it's a clutch. It's black and white with flowers on it. Definitely looks new. It's really cute actually. Alright, so let's dig into this box now. So it's a really cute kind of like camel design on the box, and it's a mint green color. So the first item that I pulled out is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer in medium deep. Now this might be a little bit too dark for me. I'm gonna have to go very lightly with it, but it's definitely not used, you can tell. So let's go ahead and swatch this bronzer and see what it looks like. That actually might not be too bad. Just going with a light hand. So just right off the bat, a good purchase. The next item I pulled out was the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in the shade Amalfi. It's a very bright pink. You can definitely tell it hasn't been used yet. Wow, that is bright. Now I actually don't own any Stila lip products, so I am excited to try this. I'm just going to have to go in very light-handed again because this is a very, very bright color. The next item is another Too Faced product. It's the Natural Eyes eyeshadow palette. I'm not sure if I have this one. I'm going to open it up just to see. I actually already have this one. It's a very, very good palette, great for every day, and you can amp it up a little bit as well. Nice neutral shades in it. Now because I already have this palette, I actually will be giving it away to one of you. So in order to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, as well as leave a comment down below on whether you've tried these beauty boxes from eBay or whether you might now, seeing the results that I have so far. And then this giveaway will end 2 weeks from today. Next up we have another lip item. It's from Lorac. It's their Pro Liquid Lipstick in the shade Soft Mauve. And this is definitely more my color. Again, you can tell it hasn't been used. So this is a really pretty shade for fall or even summertime as well. And then the last item is a lip liner from MAC. It is called Good Timing, and it actually looks like it goes with the shade from Lorac pretty nicely. Again, it's like a mauve tone. It's very creamy as well. It hasn't been sharpened or anything, so again, you know it's brand new. Okay, so I did want to look up the total value of this box. The total value, not including the clutch that I was given, was $92. The Lorac liquid lipstick is $19. The MAC lip liner was $21. The Stila Stay All Day was $22. And the Natural Eyes from Too Faced was $15, as well as the bronzer was $15. So $25 for a total of $92, not including the clutch. That's pretty awesome. Now, I do just want to put a disclaimer out there. I did seem to luck out with my purchase. I have seen a couple other videos where people get used items, that are gross looking, so I do want to say that I did have an amazing seller. She did send all new items. So I'm not saying that you would luck out with that if you did purchase a beauty box from eBay. So I know this video is short and sweet. I just wanted to try it out and see if this is something that you guys are interested in. And if it is, I can purchase more in the future and see if I luck out as well. Again, thank you for bearing with me through this horrible cold that I have going on. And don't forget to enter this giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, as well as leave me a comment down below if you have any experience with these beauty boxes, or if you might go on eBay and purchase one for yourself. So that about wraps it up. Again, if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up, as well as please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Take it easy.